All right, what's going on, guys? As you can see, we have a Mustang here on the trailer. It's my older brother's. It's here to get some help, but as you can see, there's no engine or tranny in it right now. But we gave this to him a couple years ago. Turns out the engine was bunk on it. We gave him another engine and he just hasn't had time to get to it. So we're gonna help him out. We're gonna get this thing running and in better shape than ever. So this is the engine out of the car. It was a 32 valve swapped V6 car, and it has no compression and 2 cylinders. We're not sure if it's a head gasket issue. He's had this valve cover off and kind of inspected and didn't really see anything, but we're gonna tear this one down and see what's going on with it. And the transmission that's mated to this is got a couple fucked up gears. And then we got this motor, which is the motor we gave to him. But it doesn't have the good heads on it, and he just hasn't had time to get to it. But has a good trans and a good shifter and some long tube headers on it. Both of them are aluminum blocks, so that's pretty sweet. But yeah, we're gonna make a good engine out of one or the other. This one we've never heard run. This one was running, but stopped. So we're gonna make a good running car out of them, and should be pretty sweet. It'd be cool to get his reaction once it's done. He'll be able to actually drive it.